Hi! 4 surprising things that you don't know about weight loss. Just having a little family moment here. I'm doing some work, getting some work done. Little ones are getting some work done too. So I wanted to record this video for you because I'm always talking to people about how to lose weight and eat healthy, whole foods, plant-based, whatever your version of healthy is. And they get stuck on actually how to do it, or they get confused about what to eat and these kinds of things. But mostly it comes down to like, how do you keep doing it when you just don't want to? You know, people feel like they have like a ticking time bomb for health. They just don't know when something's gonna go off, and they know at some point, you know, they should be eating healthier, but they don't know how to create that consistency. So I'm gonna give you some information today that's gonna tell you the surprising things you probably don't know about weight loss, but also just healthy eating consistency, okay? So we have a worker over here who's helping. She's going to help me remember the points here. This is actually point 1 and point 2. Success, this long-term consistency idea comes from 2 things. I'm always talking about this. It's the food and it's the mindset, right? Dr. Furman talks a lot about needing micronutrients, the tiny little things inside of foods that don't have any calories, so vitamins, minerals, and then in plants we've got phytochemicals like antioxidants, and then we've got all this beautiful fiber and these things that that really help our body work the way that they need to work, right? So when we get enough nutrition, our body is no longer starved for nutrients, and it's actually storing nutrients, and then it's able to use it for different processes that it needs. So our body actually needs a lot of nutrients, and the food that we eat, typical standard American diet food, doesn't have a lot of this type of micronutrient in it. So it's important to give our body lots of micronutrients, especially if we're trying to make up for years and decades of standard American diet eating or overeating, things like this, right? Which I am no stranger to. Okay, so the fun part about when we start getting more micronutrients is that it actually lowers our cravings, right? It decreases our interest in these foods that have very low micronutrients anymore. So we're not craving poor foods as much now. But I will tell you from personal experience, it doesn't take it all away, right? It just helps. So we need something else to kind of cover on top and help those nutrients to reduce our cravings and reduce our overeating tendencies, maybe our binge eating even, like I used to deal with. We need something else to help, and that's all up here. Now, I'm gonna tell you the problem. Actually, I'm gonna bring you over to my board real quick to illustrate this a bit. The problem with most diet advice that we get is that it's based on habits, right? Everyone always tells you, just make the right habits and everything will be fine. Just do this enough, right? And so what they're talking about is creating repetition to actually you know, get in the habit of something. So they'll tell you that, you know, it takes however long, 3 weeks or 6 weeks or 3 months or whatever to get in the habit. Now, there's no actual agreed upon number because that's not how this actually works, right? Here's what the issue is. So I say that the 2 keys to success are food and mindset, but let me explain what mindset is. So the way that I coach, my life coaching, what we talk about is that, sure, the habits, like, or AKA actions, of like making a salad, that's actually what's going to get you healthy. But if you can't get yourself to do it in the first place because you feel too tired, or you feel stressed out, or you feel like, you know, you just don't feel like doing it today, I'll do it tomorrow instead. If you can't even get yourself in the repetition of these habits, you'll never actually build them. You'll never actually create those patterns in your brain to do it. So we need to go to something deeper. What is that? Well, the thing that comes right before you do an action is actually your emotion, right? Your emotion or your feelings. So when you're feeling tired, or you're feeling lazy, or you're feeling stressed, that's what actually, I can't talk and write at the same time. That's what actually creates the action that you take after that. If you're feeling lazy, you're going to lay down on the couch and watch Netflix, right? If you're feeling stressed, you're going to avoid things altogether, or you're going to overeat, that kind of a thing. But if you're feeling calm or motivated or empowered, you're going to go and you're going to make that salad, right? Now, the thing is, we are going to have times of tired, lazy, stressed, but how do we get back into a mindset of this when we're having these emotions? It's by emotional management. We have to learn how to manage our emotions. Now, what comes right before an emotion? Here's the key. Thoughts and beliefs. So when we think, oh, I'm so tired, I couldn't possibly make a salad right now. I just don't want a salad. I want something faster, right? Those are the thoughts that create the feelings of tired, laziness, whatever. Those feelings are what we actually act from. So in order for us to change our actions and create good habits, we need to get to the root of our feelings and our emotions, because our feelings and emotions actually drive what we do or don't do. And the root of our feelings and emotions is our thoughts and beliefs. Now, this is why I'm a life coach, because I deal all with helping you with the thoughts and beliefs. That is my job, is to help you figure out how to, when you're feeling these ways, how to switch your thoughts and beliefs to something that's going to create calm, motivation, empowerment, and then actually just make the dang salad already and go eat the salad, right? Or maybe you have a salad in your fridge that's already made and you just can't get yourself to eat it. That's where I come in. Now, this is actually what I call my Triple H system. This is the system that I use in all of my coaching to teach you how to create this repetitive action on your own by yourself, thereby creating crazy empowerment, personal power, right? Now, what is the Triple H? It's head, heart, and hunger. Once we get really good at using these three things, which are within us, head meaning thoughts and beliefs, like we talked about, heart meaning the feelings and emotions, and hunger meaning understanding our own body's hunger system. Once we get really good at these three H's and we can use them over and over and over again, we create this repetitive action. We get really good at understanding and choosing deliberately thoughts and our feelings and our hunger and all this. We get really, really good at it. That's when we end up good at this for life. That's how we create consistency. Now, let's say you're not very good at the consistency thing, or you don't know much about how to shift your thoughts when you're feeling disempowered. You don't know much about how to deal with your emotions when you're feeling really tired or stressed or, lazy or whatever that might be. If you don't know how to do that, all you need is a coach, right? All you need is someone to just show you how to do that. And that's why I wanted to tell you about this, because this is kind of the basic model here. But what we agree on, what we can see, is that the way that we actually create habits is by repetitive action, right? We need to be able to get some repetitive action in order to create a habit over and over and over again. Now I make salad every day because I've done it so many times, right? We have to get to this repetitive action. We know that it's our feelings and our thoughts that are actually going to create that for us. Now, what if you're not very good at changing your feelings and thoughts and creating this situation deliberately? Well, that's okay, because we have a perfect solution for you. So you don't have to already be an expert at this, or like maybe you're wondering how you do it. Don't worry, I got programs for this. I got the Eat to Live Academy. My Triple H program is available to you. That's why I wanted to tell you that right now, the Eat to Live family is open for registration. Like right now, as of publish of this video, it's open for registration. And all of my tools where I teach you how to do this are in the Eat to Live family. So I want to encourage you to join the family right now, because if you don't know how to do this yourself, you just need someone to coach you on how to do it. And coaching is included in the Eat to Live family, okay? So let me tell you a little bit about this. The fun part about this particular launch is that we're doing something new that we've never ever done before, which is we're offering a free trial. A free trial, that's right. So for 7 days, you can jump into the Eat to Live family. You can binge watch as much as you want. Watch as much of it as you want. You can watch the Triple H stuff. You can start to watch my Eat to Live Academy videos, anything. You can watch previous coaching calls. You can watch anything you want for free for 7 days, okay? Binge to your heart's content. Learn everything you need to learn. Now, there's so much more in the Eat to Live family, including monthly coaching by me personally. So you get on a coaching call, I will coach you personally one-to-one. You'll be able to, it's like group coaching, so you can see other people get coached as well. And when you watch other people get coached, it's like getting coached yourself. It's a phenomenal group, so valuable. You get 21-day challenges every quarter. In fact, while you're watching this video, there is a 21-day challenge going on. So if you jump in there, there's also a coaching call on Thursday coming up. up, depending on when you're watching this video, while the family is still open. So there's so much to get in there. Thousands of dollars of value when you first enter the family, and you can get in for free right now, okay? There's absolutely no risk involved. Just cancel within that 7-day period. You won't get charged a cent, and you will be able to watch so much amazing content. And I promise you, just taking advantage of this free trial, you're gonna learn so much, and it might be enough for you, right? Might as well just give it a shot, okay? So consider joining the Eat to Live family. If you've ever wanted to join us before, now is the time. I don't know if we're gonna be offering a free trial ever again. I gotta kind of see how it goes this time. There's gonna be so much activity, so many amazing people in there. It's like a Facebook group, but it's not on Facebook. It's totally private social media network all on its own. Hundreds of people in there. I guarantee you're gonna love it, and I guarantee, totally guarantee, that my programs will change your life. So you got nothing to lose. Want to see you in there. I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Have you ever sort of used this thought work stuff, this mindset stuff? Do you know how to shift your thoughts when you need to? Do you want someone to just show you how to do it so you can be leaps and bounds ahead of where you would be on your own? Consider joining the family, okay? Just go to thewateringmouth.com/family. You can join now. Either you can join, I think you can join monthly or yearly. I highly recommend yearly because you get a really good discount. And then you're sort of like committing to that, you know, all or nothing for a full year. Like, I'm gonna jump in, I'm gonna do this and figure it out. And there's so much content in there that it's gonna take you many months to get through it anyhow. We'd love to see you in there. It's the place where I am the most, where you can access me, Coach Nancy, Coach Lydia. So much great stuff in there. Love to see you in there. Love to see you make those changes and change your own life by making this one decision, okay? Hope to see you in the Eat to Live family. Check it out now. We're only open for a couple days registration, and we shut down for a whole nother quarter of a year, so you won't be able to get in for a while. Either way, I love you so much. I hope this video helped, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.